Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. Yes, okay, so today we're going to be working, I have you zoomed in a bit, and we're going to be working on these cute little cards, okay? So what I did with these, I've been so inspired lately by Nicole from Relax Cut Glue, and I will leave her link below, of course. And she does so many fun glue booking projects, it's just not even funny. So make sure you go check her out. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe if you so desire and click that little notification bell so that you get notified the next time one of my videos comes out. Oh, that was a mouthful. Okay, anyway, back to what we're doing. So what I did was I just took a piece of, this was like old painty paper on the other side from an old sketchbook, right? And I wasn't gonna use it, so I just took it out. It's not very good sketchbook paper, so I took it out. And then I took a bunch of magazine pages that had interesting backgrounds, ripped them into pieces, and I'll show you. Let me show you some of them, right? Like this, okay? There's an example. Here's an example. Just different colors, textures, patterns, whatever, okay? Just a bunch of little, things. And then just glued them randomly and made like a master board, okay? Like a patchwork of magazine clippings, if you will. And then, when was it? I don't know, maybe by now, a couple weeks ago, I did share a video on how I harvest these little tiny pictures in some catalogs that I have. So today what we're gonna do is work on these cards, and I have them all set up and prepared to go, ready to go. Here is my word box. So we're gonna be adding just one picture to each card, okay? And this is just a really fun way to do, let me scoot, here's some, here are just some, this is the background paper that I used, okay? And these were the scraps from making these cards here. I can turn these into all kinds of things, right? I can fold them in half to make little tabs for my journal. I can fold them the other way, use punches. I can do whatever, right? Cute little leftovers, save those. Okay, so yeah, I just thought, let me move this up so it's not completely glary, okay? All right, so these are really simple because, when it is a lot of fun to glue paper to paper, of course, and once you have your patchwork paper done of all your magazine clippings, right? Not the clippings, these are just the torn pieces that I'm talking about here, right? Once you have those down, and then you make your little cards, and you can make them however big or however small you want them. It doesn't really make a difference. But I went through one of my boxes that had just little, just small images, right? Okay, so this card is big enough for one image and one word, and that's all I'm going for right now. That's all I'm going for. Excuse me, I might put a ring on this like Nicole does for some of her books. I'm not really sure. Let me just move those up there a second. Put this here, right? And I'm just gonna put this smack in the middle. Just smack in the middle. Okay. Just try to smush it down the best I can. All right, and then we're gonna go into my little word box here. Now, I mean, there are so many ways to get words, You can either look them up or look them up. Well, you can look them up. Like this right here was just off a sheet that had a bunch of different sentiments on it, typed out sentiments. Or you can go to your magazines, and look for words, right? Now, obviously, these are tiny cards, so none of these words are striking my fancy because they're too big. They're all too big. So let's just keep looking. We're just gonna keep digging. All right, let's see. Here's a small one. Opportunity. That I'm gonna use right there. I'm not thinking very much about this at all, okay? I'm just not gonna do it. I am just going to glue. Just going to glue. And when I saw this word just now, opportunity, and I look at the picture that it is going to go on, what is that, right? Those are flowers. And so what I think of automatically is an opportunity to grow. Okay, there you go. If you'll notice, I have like a style, I guess, or whatever, or a habit. I just stick the word on there, askew, and call it macaroni. Okay, this was a cool one here. This is a lady's head, right? So we're just gonna glue her on. Hopefully this will be a quick video, and hopefully it will inspire you to get those scraps out. And you know, the project doesn't have to be huge and overwhelming. Let's just scooch her up a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't have to be huge and overwhelming. Like, and I was inspired, of course, by that, or with that, by watching Nicole's videos. You know, you don't have to work on a super huge book or a super huge, you know, project. It can be something as simple as this, just one focal, I would call this a focal, you know, thing. That's too big, but I'll leave that out because it's might not be too big for other things. Life is good. Yeah, it's nice to just work on something that is not overwhelming. Okay, event, no. E, no. Okay, these C, oh, Zen Garden, that'd be fun to use. Ooh, let's see what this tiny one is. Beautiful, look at that. And guess what? Beautiful is right. Beautiful that I found it, and it's just right there for my taking. Yep. Lovely. So we'll put that right at the base of her neck. Why not? Okay, let me just see if you can still see what's going on here. I really hope I'm in frame. I've kind of zoomed you in a bit. Excuse me, I'm very sorry. Yeah, okay. Just make sure you go and check out Nicole, because she just has a lot of really great ideas. She's a new YouTube channel. And yeah, she's just fabulous, you know. I'm gonna scoot this. Oops, nope, I gotta scooch it up. Okay, so my little flowers stay under there, or stay on there. Okay, she has a lot of different ideas as well, as far as like, you know, using one of those baby washcloths, you know, to smooth things out. I'm really sorry if this is super glary. Now let's find a word. Yeah, she has great techniques and that you can learn from her. Inspiring. We'll leave that one out for now. Yeah, so check her out. Tranquil. I like that one because that's what I think of when I think of like succulents. If you can't see that, that's a succulent. Yeah, I think of just tranquil. That's what I think of. My scissors are full of glue. I mean, it's not like the smallest word in the bucket, but it's going to have to do. It's just gonna have to do. There you go. Tranquil. My fingers are completely sticky now. That's okay. And then of course, we're gonna put it askew. Yep, there. I like it. And you know what? That's all that matters, is that you like it. This, I mean, now that I just said that, right? This, I have to tell you, not thrilled about, okay? The little piggy, he's cute and all, but, and I'm gonna use him. I mean, he is cute. So let's see here. Let's find another small word. Artistic, no. The pig is not artistic, I'm sorry. Obsession, no. Quiet, he doesn't appear to be quiet. Exceptional, maybe he is an exceptional pig. I don't know. Charlotte would know. Making, excuse me. Okay, extraordinary. All right, you know what? We're just gonna use extraordinary because I think that's actually, I think, you know, Charlotte would say that the pig is extraordinary. So that's what we're gonna call it. And I'm just over to the side here, cutting as straight as I possibly can, which, to be honest with you, is not working so well, okay? Oh, wait a minute. We got a glue pig on. What up, girl? Okay, so let's just glue pig on. I'm just over here to the side. What I do is I usually use an extra magazine that I'm done with or that I'm not using for collage or these types of things. Let me just get my rag, because now I'm just a gluey mess. And we'll just wipe that down a little bit, okay? And now we'll put extraordinary. There we go. That's cute, huh? I might even, now that I think about it, I might even go around these with like black, what's it called? Oops, sorry. Black archival ink, you know? And then, like I said, I don't know if I'll put them in, like, put them on a ring or what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this right here, these are painted circles. I did them years ago, and it was from a cat hand video. So I'll leave her below as well, leave her linked below. And I think I just want this right here. I love these, right? And the word that I chose is relationships. Yes, because, you know, I don't know. To me, relationships are kind of like cyclical, I guess. Kind of like, well, what I'm thinking of is a marriage relationship. I mean, that's what's in my mind. And so, you know, we have, oh, that's a nice couch in there. Hang on, stop. I gotta cut the couch out, sorry. Sorry, I must not have looked too well through this magazine. But that's gotta get cut out. Okay, all right. I'm gonna put that over there. All right, anyhow, yeah, I think, you know, when I saw the rings and decided to use them, and found the word relationships, I thought, well, it's kind of like a wedding ring, you know, it's circular. I like that. I like that. Now, I think the rest of these are already set to go. Yes, they are. These are just some doodles that I did years ago, okay? I need a new magazine for gluing. Some people use, like, I know Nicole uses like an old book. You can do that, whatever you want, whatever you want. It's just so that you don't get glue everywhere, you know? You could use a drop paper, whatever. Great Day, I thought that was cute. So I'll put this on here, askew as usual. I'm so exciting, aren't I? Okay, on this one here, I decided, just like I was looking through my stuff, and I liked what this had to say. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I am choosing happiness. And then it says, that one right there says, yes, please. Yep, I love it. Okay, I need another magazine or something, or another piece of paper. What can I use? What can I use? Okay, right here. Here we go, sorry. I ran out of space to glue. Okay. I hope I didn't have any unfinished thoughts. I don't know. Okay, now this, interestingly enough, I am going to go ahead and glue this on straight, not askew. See? I can change it up sometimes. Not very often, but okay. And then we have yes, please. And this I am also not putting askew if I can at all help it. Okay, I like that. Yes, please. This is just a super simple, relaxing thing to do, okay? Oh no, I guess I only had words for some of them. Okay, no biggie. No big deal. Okay, I hope this isn't super glary for you. I thought I'd come on and just give you a little break from this I'm gonna put on straight as well. Give you a little break from the, you know, the journal with me videos. And actually too, just to show you like that. Well, it's kind of straight. Oh gosh, that's gonna bug me. All right, that's a little better. Okay, let's see. Okay, word. Just to show you too, like, that I actually do use the stuff that I show you. I use the stuff that I cut out, you know, and again, if you haven't, let's see, what to have, where to go. I don't know. What was I saying? There you go, unfinished thought. We'll just use special here. Good grief. Woo. I'm just cutting off to the side, guys. And oh, that's what I was saying. Yeah, this is just, I thought I'd give you guys just, whoops, that's not straight. I don't know if you can see me or if my hand is right up in your grill. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, stop being so persnickety. Yeah, I thought I'd give you guys just a little tiny break. From all the journal with me's and the, you know, even though you guys seem to be enjoying them, thank you very much. The journal with me's and the flip throughs and the, you know, all those things, right? Here's a little honey pot. And yeah, and actually show you a very easy, simple, relaxing, quick, fun little project that you can do if you are a lover of gluing, if you just enjoy gluing. Now, I could also take these, let me see, family living? No, living. I could take these and just send them out in Happy Mail, you know what I mean? I could just keep them and put them in my book. I could use them as, like, I could use them as journaling cards because there's nothing on the back, you know? So I could always use these as little tip-ins. And there are a lot of different things that you could use these for. I'm trying to find really small words. Secrets in the honey pot. Secrets in the tea. I don't know if you can see the tea thing. Oh dear. My battery's running low. Yeah, maybe secrets, not event. Okay, fabulous. No. Oh, maybe this one, irresistible. Yeah, honey to me is irresistible. I don't know. Is it to you? I really like honey. Irresistible. We're gonna go rogue and make that straight. How about that? Changing it up. Oh, I like that. Okay, I hope my battery doesn't go dead. I really, really hope not. I thought this was gonna be a rather quick video and it's actually turning out not to be. Honestly, guys, I couldn't make a short video if I tried. Okay, sorry. All right, we're just gonna put this right like this, I think. And yes, it is going off the page, and that is okay by me. Just for this one. Maybe I'll do something with it. I don't know. Energized, maybe. That would look cute on there. Energized. Sometimes tea can energize you, right? Yeah, I like that. That's cute. So there you go. Here, let's spread them all out. Let's get out of the way. Get out of the way, dude. See? Okay, let's quit being distracting. We have all these cute little cards just made very simply, very relaxing, very quick, right? All these little cards. So cute. Okay, thanks for sharing your time with me, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.